Welcome to CL Byte number 3. In this video, we're going to look at how to use Computation Layer to give students feedback about the accuracy of their card sort. This activity has 2 slides. The first one has the card sort, and then the second slide will give feedback to students about their card sort. So first I will correctly match these up. I have 9 cards here that ask me to match a decimal number to its corresponding binary and hexadecimal number. So if I have everything sorted correctly, when I go to the next slide, boom, I see fireworks and I get the message, all correct, nice job. If I didn't have everything sorted correctly, then when I go to the next slide, no fireworks, and the message says you currently have 8 cards sorted correctly. That number will change depending on how many cards I have sorted correctly, and then it says go back and keep sorting. So how did I do that? Let's take a look at the activity itself and look at the computation layer. So on the first slide, I have a card sort. I've created my cards, and I have an answer key where everything is matched up. I have a little bit of computation layer here that gives me the subtitle. When you're ready, check your work on the next page. So that's how I created the subtitle here in a little bit smaller font. On the second slide is where I've used Computation Layer to give the actual feedback to students. And there are 2 elements here. One is a graph and one is the note. So let's look at the note first. The note content, when the student's sort matches the key, it's going to give the message, all correct, nice job. Otherwise, it's going to say you currently have however many are correct. Go back and keep sorting. So that's how I determine what's displayed here to students. The graph, let's look at the actual graph first before the computation layer. This graph was not one I created myself. Desmos shared it on their Twitter account, and so I copy-pasted that URL in here. The variable n determines how many fireworks appear, anywhere from 0 to 14. Now the computation layer here in the graph changes the number n. So that variable n, when the bin sort matches the key, or the bin hex sort matches the key, then it sets n to 14 and 14 fireworks appear. Otherwise, it sets the value of n to 0 and no fireworks appear. So that's what determines whether or not students see fireworks when they have the correct answer. I hope this helps you create an activity of your own and give students feedback on their card sort.